Curious about all the AI bots available in Dola AI? Yeah, there are bots for writing, research, scheduling, and more. In this guide, I'll show you how to discover and explore AI bots step by step. First, open Dola AI on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all available bots. Look for the AI bots, Explore, or Discover tab in Dola AI. This is where all available bots are listed. Scroll through the bots. You'll see categories like writing and content, productivity and tasks, study and research, and fun and entertainment. Take a few minutes to explore each category and see what fits your workflow. Click on any bot to see details, like what it does, how to use it, and examples of prompts. This helps you pick the right bot for your needs. Most bots can be added to your workspace or activated instantly. Tap or click Add Bot or Activate to start using it in your chats. Once added, send a message or prompt to the bot to see it in action. Experiment with different prompts to learn what it can do. And that's it. Open Dola AI, explore the AI bots section, browse categories, activate bots, and start experimenting. Discovering bots is a great way to boost productivity and creativity in Dola AI.